As you can tell by my hair, it's been a while, but the dyno shop is done with the dyno on my SS. Like I said, it was installed here in Texarkana. We had to trailer it to Longview, had a terrible time. Had to call one of my buddies, shout out to Zay, to come help me get it off the trailer and get it to the dyno shop. They needed about 2.5 weeks because there was a couple of parts that needed to be ordered. The first pull, it ran out of fuel. So I needed a new fuel pump and some other miscellaneous things. I've actually moved. We're in a new house now. This is my comfy rocking chair or lazy boy, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we're in a totally different house right now. Lots happened and I haven't driven my car 6 to 8 weeks now. I'm not even sure. You can tell by my hair that, yeah, it's been a while. But today, this morning, is gonna be a great morning. It's actually time for me to go up to Longview and grab my car. They are done with it. Due to my work schedule, I actually cannot go during the week, so it's actually Sunday right now. I'm excited. It's right now like 7:45 in the morning. Supposed to leave at 8. My ride, of course, is semi-dependable. Hasn't texted me back, hasn't called me, so might be late. Who knows? But just want to give y'all an update. So hopefully the next video after this one will be, you guys will see the car with the install done. You'll see the car some idle, some pools maybe. I don't know, I got a little more cosmetic stuff I want to do to it before it's finally ready. Still on stock tires. I mean, when I say stock tires, I mean from the factory, like the 2017 SS tires. Like, they haven't been changed. It's 2022. So I gotta get some new tires. Saw the dyno video. Want to get a better video so I can at least show you guys, because the quality is very poor because my phone is terrible at receiving videos. I need a new phone. Maybe I'll put it on here, but it won't be a good quality. So I'll see what I can do there, but just want to give y'all an update. That's what's going on. The next video will be, it's finally happened. I finally have a supercharged car, from a 2001 Mustang GT to a, what I have next? Was it an 04 Mustang GT to an 01 Cobra? No, I went to an 05 Mustang GT, then to an 01 Cobra, back to another 05 Mustang GT, to an 09 Challenger SRT 8, 15 Chevy SS, and now 17 Chevy SS. I wanted to supercharge every one of those cars, never could. Not enough money, not enough time. This one's supercharged, so it's crazy. I showed you guys where I loaded up the Supercharger LSA install parts, took it over to Nick T. He did the install. The cam came in, took it over to him. As parts came in, I just took them over to him, and he went ahead and finished everything for me. Today I was supposed to be getting picked up by a friend at about 8 o'clock this morning. It's a Sunday, and getting a ride to Longview with him. I was gonna pay him gas and, you know, buy his breakfast or whatever, but I guess he overslept. No responses, phones are dead, whatever. So I had to call a Lyft. It's gonna cost me close to $200, but I'm going to get my car today. It's been too long. I am tired of waiting. It's gonna be an old guy named Benjamin on a 2020 in a 2020 Kia Sportage. Hopefully he's cool. Probably an hour and a half long drive, but I am excited. Finally, as you can see how long I've been waiting. Look at my hair. Look at my hair. Yes, sir. What you say?
I said, you don't mind if I drop through the hat and drop off this paper at my sister's house?
Nah, you're fine. After a tumultuous ride, I mean, that Uber driver was terrible. Sorry, Lyft. I'm not gonna do Uber like that. That was a Lyft driver. Absolutely terrible. We finally made it. I could not have gotten out of that car faster. But here she is, my baby. They were supposed to leave the key for me somewhere. Luckily, I went ahead and brought my second key, or I'd be stranded right now. I'd be 100% stranded. But I don't want to leave without my other key, so I'm gonna give it a little bit. But yes, sir. Let's pop the hood. All right. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. Kong Stage Exported LSA blower. X-Air cold air intake. Man, I can't even try to name all these mods. Mighty Mouse catch can, Bosch auxiliary pump, red Holly valve covers, Henson Motorsports plugs, 1000cc injectors, 2.55 upper. Man. Yeah. I'll get this baby home.